Right now, you can use this exclusive Bluehost discount to save up to 78% on hosting, with prices starting as low as $1.99 per month. You can also receive a free domain name when you choose an annual or multi-year term. In this video, I'll show you how to access the offer, explain which billing term gives you the lowest price, and help you quickly choose between the 4 Bluehost plans. I'll also show you the important detail to verify before checkout so you don't accidentally select an option that excludes the free domain. Use the first link in the description below to open Bluehost and access the exclusive discounted pricing. Just so you know, it is an affiliate link, which means I'm earning a commission if you purchase through it. It doesn't cost you anything extra. Once the Bluehost plans appear, the first thing to check is the billing term. Bluehost currently gives you 5 options: a 4-year term, 3-year term, 2-year term, a 1-year term, or monthly billing. The 3-year and 4-year terms provide the cheapest monthly pricing and allows you to lock in the introductory discount for the longest period. The 1-year and 2-year options still provide great savings and may be better if you want a lower upfront commitment. Bluehost also offers monthly billing, but there are 2 important differences. The monthly price is higher and a free domain name is not included. To receive the free domain, choose a 1-year, 2-year, 3-year, or 4-year term. Now let's compare the 4 plans, starting with the lowest priced option. The one-site plan is discounted by up to 78% off, with pricing starting as low as $1.99 per month. This is the best starting point if you only need one website and want the lowest available Bluehost price. The starter plan is discounted by up to 70%, with pricing starting as low as $2.99 per month. Choose starter if you want more flexibility than the one-site plan or expect to create additional websites later. The Business Essentials plan is discounted by up to 57%, with pricing starting as low as $5.99 per month. This plan is better suited to a business or growing website that needs more resources and features than the lower tier plans. The E-commerce Essentials plan is discounted by up to 68%, with pricing starting as low as $6.99 per month. This is the plan to consider if your main goal is building an online store. For most beginners creating a single blog, portfolio, or small website, the one-site plan gives you the lowest starting price. If you expect to manage more than one website, Starter gives you more room to grow. Remember, the cheapest monthly pricing is available with a 3-year or 4-year term. The 1-year and 2-year terms still provide strong introductory savings, while monthly billing costs more and does not include the free domain. Use the first link in the description below to access the exclusive Bluehost discount, save up to 78%, and get started with pricing as low as $1.99 per month. Thanks for watching.